Hello bachcho, so let's read this question. Point out the false statement. A. The colloidal solution of a liquid in liquid is called gel. B. Hardy-Schulze rule is related with coagulation. C. Brownian movement and Tyndall effect are shown by a colloidal system. D. Gold number is a measure of protective power of lyophilic colloid. Now let us first write the key concept of the question और सबसे basic चीज समझते हैं that what are colloids. So colloids, or we can say colloidal solution, is a mixture of or mixtures in which microscopically dispersed insoluble particles of one substance are suspended in another substance. The size of the suspended particles, जो हमारा size होता है suspended particles का, it ranges from 1 to 1000 nanometers. So the size of the suspended particles ranges from 1 to 1000 nanometers. Now let us talk about the question. हमें पहला ऑप्शन दे रखा है the colloidal solution of a liquid is called gel. हमें पता है colloidal solution of liquid is known as emulsion. So हमारा पहला ही statement false हो गया. The liquid in liquid colloidal solution is called emulsion and not gel. So our first option is false. Hence the correct answer for the question. तो हमारा फर्स्ट ऑप्शन विल बी द करेक्ट आंसर टू द क्वेश्चन. हम बाकी के भी पॉइंट्स डिस्कस कर लेते हैं फॉर बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग. सेकंड हमें दे रखा है हार्डी स्कल्जी रूल के बारे में, तो हम हार्डी स्कल्जी रूल डिस्कस करते हैं नेक्स्ट. बी हार्डी स्कल्जी रूल. नाउ व्हाट डज हार्डी स्कल्जी रूल स्टेट्स? तो हार्डी स्कल्जी रूल हमारा स्टेट करता है that the greater the valence of the flocculating added of the flocculating ion added, the greater will be its power to cause coagulation. The greater will be its power to cause coagulation. Coagulation is the precipitation of salt. So coagulation को अगर हम थोड़ा सा briefly describe करना हो तो it is precipitation of salt. तो जो हमें ऑप्शन में दे रखा है it says Hardy-Schulze rule is related with coagulation. Yes, this answer is true. This statement is true. Now let us read the third statement. Third statement हमें दी हुई है Brownian movement and Tyndall effect are shown by colloidal system. Let us discuss that. पहले हम डिस्कस करते हैं ब्राउनियन मूवमेंट को. ब्राउनियन movement. So Brownian movement is the random, uncontrolled motion of colloidal particles in colloids. This motion is usually zigzag. This motion is usually zigzag. तो जो हमारा ब्राउनियन मूवमेंट होता है, इट इज बेसिकली a property which is shown by the colloids. So जो उसके colloidal particles होते हैं हमारे ब्राउनियन मूवमेंट के, they show a random zigzag motion and which is termed as Brownian movement. Now let us talk about the other one, which is Tyndall effect. Now if we talk about Tyndall effect हम सबको पता है, it is the scattering of a beam of light with colloidal particles. So scattering of beam of light with colloidal particles. Or we can say particles suspended in a solution, or particles. जो हमारे particles suspended होते हैं in a solution, they scatter the beam of light when it falls on it. This effect is not shown by true solutions, but it is only shown by the suspensions and colloidal solutions क्योंकि उसके particles का size थोड़ा बड़ा होता है as compared to true solutions. True solutions are homogeneous mixtures, तो उसमें particle का size बिल्कुल भी visible नहीं होता, and their particles are soluble in nature. So let us talk about the D option, which is given to us. The Dole number is a measure of protective power of lyophilic colloid. Now let us talk about गोल्ड नंबर. अगर हम गोल्ड नंबर की बात करना चाहें तो गोल्ड नंबर की डेफिनेशन होती है the number of milligrams of protective colloid which is sufficient to prevent the coagulation of 10 ml standard gold solution when 1 ml of 10% solution of sodium chloride is added to it. Of sodium chloride is added to it. This is called gold number. So we can say it is a protective colloid. That is what is mentioned in the statement that is given to us. So the fourth statement भी true हो जाएगा. It is a protective power of a lyophilic colloid. So this statement will also become true. और third statement हमने अभी prove किया that colloidal system shows Brownian movement and Tyndall effect both. So हमारा option number A will be the false statement for the question. I hope you understood the question well. Best of luck.